Have you ever wondered, why does $1 seem kind of normal? But when you exchange it in another country, it can turn into a huge amount of money. For example, back then, $1 could be equal to millions or even billions of Zimbabwe dollars. How is that even possible? Does that mean Zimbabwe was extremely rich, or actually the opposite? Quick disclaimer, today, Zimbabwe's currency situation has improved. Good job, Zimbabwe! So in this video, we're going to talk about why currency values go up and down, and why money in one country can be stronger than in another. First, we need to understand this. The value of money is not determined by the number on it, but by its purchasing power. Simple example. In the US, $1 might buy you a bottle of water. In another country, to buy the same thing, you might need 10,000 or even 100,000. So it doesn't mean they have more money. It just means each bill is worth less. Think of it like this. It's better to have one bill with high value than 1,000 bills that are all worth very little. Now let's get to the main question. Why does a currency lose its value? There are several key factors. 1. Inflation. Inflation means prices keep going up over time. If inflation is low and controlled, that's normal. But if it gets out of control, money starts losing its value. An extreme example happened in Zimbabwe. The government printed too much money without matching economic growth. What happened? Prices skyrocketed. Today, bread costs $1,000. Tomorrow, it becomes $10,000. Next week, it's $1 million. This is called hyperinflation. And at that point, money becomes almost worthless. 2. Too much money in circulation. If money keeps being printed without enough goods and services to support it, its value will drop. Think about it like this. If everyone suddenly became a billionaire, would everyone be rich? Not really, because prices would also go up. 3. A country's economic condition. If a country's economy is weak, investors lose confidence. As a result, people stop wanting that currency. Demand goes down, the value drops. On the other hand, countries with strong economies usually have more stable currencies. 4. Political stability. This is also important. If a country faces constant conflict or has an unstable government, people become hesitant to keep their money there. And in the end, the currency loses value. Why is the US dollar so strong? Here are a few reasons. The US economy is large and stable. Many global transactions use the dollar. It's used as a reserve currency by many countries, so the demand is high. And in economics, when demand is high, value tends to go up as well. So in conclusion, the value of money is not about big or small numbers. It's about trust and economic strength. Countries with stable economies, strong currency. Countries with problems, currency can collapse. And that's why $1 might seem small, but somewhere else, it can feel very big.